I just discovered magic. I can turn natural ingredients into this healthy home diffuser blend. Let's make this healthy home diffuser blend so that you can feel good about the air you're breathing in your home. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off distractions, making us healing. Let's get started. Before I tell you what you need, I want you to know we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making your own products using essential oils easy. And that's why if you subscribe to our Simply Earth Home Remedies recipe box, you'll get all the ingredients you need, or you can find them at simplyearth.com. Let's make it. To make this diffuser blend recipe, all you're going to need is Ravensara Essential Oil, Breathe Easy, a 5 milliliter bottle. If you're a subscriber, you can find this in your big bonus box, and a diffuser. This is Simply Earth's flower diffuser. To make this recipe, just add the oils right to your diffuser and diffuse in an open room. I'm going to be using 1 drop of Ravensara and 2 drops of Breathe Easy. Test out the blend, smell it, and if you love it, which smells super good, this 5 milliliter bottle holds 100 drops. So to make this recipe, we're going to be adding 33 drops of Ravensara and 66 drops of Breathe Easy. I'm gonna add my dropper cap to my bottle, pushing it in with my handy essential oil bottle tool. Boop. I'm gonna add my label. And now to use my master blend, I can just add a few drops of my pre-made blend right onto my diffuser, and it's ready to go, pre-mixed. You can make this too. I love to see your creations, so make sure to take a picture and share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. If you want to turn your essential oils into natural products like this, then you need the Simply Earth recipe box, because this box will actually teach you how to unlock the power of natural ingredients.